Okay, this problem says the diameter and the height of the cone are divided by 3. Describe the effects on the volume. If you remember what we did yesterday, we found that whatever happens to the different components of finding the volume, the same thing will happen to the volume. So we'll divide by 3, but cubed, which is the same as dividing by 9. Let's test this out and see if it works. I'm going to start by finding the volume of the cube I have. If it has a diameter of 15, that means it has a radius of 7.5. Okay, so I have 1/3, 7.5 squared times 15 times pi. And I get that the volume is 281.25 pi inches cubed. Now I'm going to divide both of these by 3. It gives me 5. When I do that, my radius becomes 2.5. And here, I get 10.417 pi. Now I'm going to see what happens if I divide this number by 9. That's my hypothesis from what happened yesterday. So if I take that 281.25 and divide it by 9, I get 31.25, and that's not the same as yesterday. So right now what I'm seeing is that my hypothesis is incorrect. So now what I'm going to do is take this volume and divide it by this volume. And I get approximately 27. Y'all, do you see where I made my mistake? 3 cubed is 27, not 9. Clearly, I made a mistake at the start. But when I actually go in and look at the problem, I can see that my original hypothesis was correct. I did make a minor mistake. Some of you probably caught it as soon as I did it, and you're waiting for me to see. But that just confirms my conclusion that when I divide my units by 3, it affects my volume by whatever that amount is cubed. So instead of the volume also being divided by 3, it's divided by 27 instead. Also, you can see the way I made a mistake, but by working out my math, I was able to uncover what that mistake was. Remember, mistakes are just kind of a part of math class. It's what happens as we're learning and growing. So glad I could model that for you.